I am going to show you how to use SmallPDF to edit your documents. Now, when you first go to smallpdf.com, it looks like this. Whoa, so much stuff. All you really need to do is click this Edit PDF one. So in the future, you can get there quickly. Instead of just typing smallpdf.com, you can do /edit-pdf. Or again, just simply don't be afraid of this wild selection and just choose Edit PDF. Now you can click Choose File, and that's going to help you look on your computer. But if you already have the file open and you are ready to bring it over, you can just do that. Click and drag it over, and it's going to open your PDF document. Okay. Now you are ready to do whatever you need to do on this document. So you need to color, pick the pen, pick the color that you want, and pick the size that you want. So if I needed to circle this section, okay, there we go. If I needed to type and label this, backbone, right? Now if I select that, I can change the font size. That's a little large, right? So there's regular. I can change the color, okay? Or I can delete it, all right? So again, with the pen, I can draw whatever I need to. If I need to get rid of it, I use the undo feature. Okay, so notice it's going back through everything that I did and undoing it. All right, so if you accidentally did something, you're going to have to trace yourself back to the beginning. So the pen is great for any kind of marking you need to do. Again, changing the weight so it doesn't need to be that large. Text boxes, okay, really easy to add those. And this is a highlighter, okay? So if you want to just freehand highlight like this. The other option was text highlighter, so you select the text and it's going to highlight everything that you selected. Again, you can change the color of the highlighter if that's what you want, right? So this is really simple. You're going to make all the changes that you have to make. Then you're going to click download. That's it. Now you have this file and you can attach it to your assignment and submit it. That's it. Really easy and real simple tools, nothing too complicated, but you have a pen, a highlighter, text box. The other thing you can do, add shapes, including arrows. Okay, and what else? You can add lines, ellipses, rectangles, and you can insert images. So this really includes everything that you might need for basic PDF editing. Highly recommend. No extensions, nothing complicated. Just simply go to the website. There you go.